What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500-gram cake from Winda Fireworks called Notorious. Let's check it out. So there's 33 shots. The colors are red, green, blue, and gold. It goes up about 130 feet. Firing straight up, noise 9 out of 10, and it does have a mine effect. The performance is notoriously loud cake, features brocade crown with colorful tips, double layer mine. Want noisy? We've got your noise. Check it out. And let's check under the hood. Different bore sizes. I'm guessing that this is the front because it has a fuse there. But yeah, man, if you guys like you guys want this cake, you can get this over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. The link to their YouTube channel is up here. Yeah, if you guys like this cake, drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.